Turn me up, YC! Alright, anyway. Hi, my name is Kwame. Welcome to my channel, and on this channel we talk about personal and financial growth. And today, I'm going to be giving you guys a beginner's guide on investing. Today, we're going to cover how to invest from start to finish and what investments I would make if I was brand new to investing. So please watch this video from start to finish so you don't miss anything. And I'm watching you, so don't you dare click on another video. So what is investing? Investing in its simplest form is putting money into something today in hopes of receiving a return later in the future. And that can come in many forms. To give an example, some people may see college as an investment. You're investing in your books, you're investing in your housing in hopes that you will have a career that will bring about more income. So now let's talk about the most common types of investments. Stocks are assets that are considered to be part of a company. In its simplest terms, if you own a stock, you own a part of that company. So let's just say you were to start a donut company and you needed funding for your company. You would issue stocks to investors to buy equipment that you needed to actually run the business, and you as an investor would get part ownership. You are expecting that the value of the company will increase, and one day you'll get a higher return when you go to sell your shares of the company. In other words, those shares that you purchased or obtained in the beginning are worth more in the future. An index fund is a collection of several different stocks within a portfolio. And you may be asking, why wouldn't I just buy a bunch of stocks and create my own portfolio? Well, with an index fund, you don't have to manage the stocks yourself and you can spread the risk. See, instead, in that index fund, you're actually allocating a certain percentage of each stock. So for example, an index fund could have 30% shares in Google, 30% shares in Microsoft, 30% shares in Tesla, and then 10% shares in Apple. A bond is debt that corporations like Walmart or McDonald's or governments issue to the public where they pay interest to the investors. So for instance, if the city of New York was looking to invest in a new building, they would issue bonds to get money to invest in the new building. And you as an investor would receive interest on the bond from the government as those bonds expire. Mutual funds are a broad term for a collection of the previously mentioned investments. But they could also be a portfolio of just index funds, or just bonds, or a portfolio of just any other financial instrument. Real estate can be land, houses, commercial buildings, residential buildings, industrial, pretty much land and permanent structures attached to land. When you invest in real estate, the expectation is that the market will value that home at a higher price than when you bought it. Or if you own a rental property, you're expecting some sort of cash flow coming from your tenants within that property. And investing in yourself. I know that it's a little cheesy, but stick with me, because investing in yourself can be the most powerful thing. Like I mentioned, you have books, classes, courses, but you want to be intentional when you invest in yourself. Too many people go to college and just have hopes of getting a good career, but in reality, we have to understand that college is an investment. If you are investing or getting an investment into yourself and you're looking for a substantial return later, then you have to go in with the idea that it is an investment, which means if you are going to school or taking courses or going to seminars, what is your plan for using that education to create a sustainable living? If you want to know what I did, you can check out this video here. But let's get to the point of this video. If I was starting day one in investing, what would I do? Where would I start? How would I be able to maximize my investments? Well, you can just start. You're never too young, you're never too old to start investing. And any one of the aforementioned investments is actually a perfect way to start. If you wanted to start by investing in stocks, you can start by looking at the products you actually own and believe in. The best advice I've ever received about investing in stocks is look around you. Look at everything that you use on a daily basis and look at everything that everybody else uses on a daily basis. And you can start investing in those companies of those everyday items. For me, the first stock that I bought was Apple. I saw everybody using iPhones. I was using an iPhone. I truly believed in their products. Everybody in my college was actually using a MacBook or MacBook Pro. And so that was the company that I believed in. And I still have Apple stock today. And you can easily take that same logic with index funds. Invest in an index fund that has a collection of companies that you truly believe in. A collection of companies with products that you truly believe in. For me, I'm all in tech, I'm all in FANG companies. Those are majority of my index funds. I believe in FANG. I believe big tech companies are not going anywhere and they're just improving. And I think that is a solid way to start. If you wanted to invest in bonds, you can go for short-term, medium-term, or even long-term. But again, stick with something you believe in. If you believe in state governments, go with municipalities. If you believe in federal governments, go with big government bonds. Or if you believe in large companies and what they're doing, like McDonald's or like Walmart, then invest in the bonds that they issue. Real estate can be a tricky one, but if you have the money to put down a down payment on that property, and the intent is not only to enjoy the home, but you understand that it is in an area that is going to appreciate, or the property property can be rehabilitated in some way where it can appreciate, or you can rent the home, then certainly invest in a property. Real estate is not going anywhere. Real estate has been around for a very long time and is one of the most secure investments. If you can get in real estate, in my opinion, it is one of the best investments to actually get into long term. And finally, investing in yourself. You always have to bet on yourself no matter what. Whether it's purchasing a ticket to a seminar, buying a book on trading, or purchasing a book in marketing products, because odds are if you don't invest in yourself and believe in yourself, then no one else will. I've made the mistake on betting on myself too late in many ways, and I hate for you to make that same mistake. So whether you're fresh out of high school and want to do a coding boot camp, or whether you're in college and you want to go to a seminar, or whether you're mature in your career and you want to switch careers and go back to college, start investing in yourself. I wish that somebody had told me when I was younger about all of these things and the way to invest and to go all in on myself and everything that I believe in and love. I wish somebody had told me what stocks were, bonds were, real estate was, amongst other investments when I was younger. And the object of this video is just a beginner's guide. It is the bottom line and the foundations of investing. I hope that I've helped somebody today to at least begin that preliminary research. I'll be putting out videos soon about the brokerage companies that I choose, stocks that I've invested in, real estate that I've invested in, and other ventures, and some of the tips that I've learned on the way. Again, I wish so much that I had done this sooner in my life, but I hope that no matter, again, how young or how old you are, you take this and you make this video your first step into investing. So thank you again for listening. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.